In demonstrating the letter C in alphabet choreography, we want to think of the uppercase letter C, C for cat. If you are left-handed and if you are right-handed, C. Okay, and that's all you are doing with your flag. You'll be moving it C, 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 and if you have two flags, you can do the same. C, 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 and you can join the flags together and go C. And you may actually also demonstrate C in a circular movement kind of movement, circular kind of way, like C and C and C. All you are doing is C, C, C for cat.